Hi guys, so today I will be talking about Temptation, and this is just Temptation Water Blossoms Fragrance Mist. This is by Victoria's Secret, and I'm just going to show you guys what the bottle looks like before I actually talk about the product. But it just has like this goldish cap, and then right here it just says Victoria's Secret. Crevice right here, and this is what the bottle looks like. And it just says Temptation. Okay, so getting started about this product, I purchased this last year. It was around Black Friday because I remember I got it a part of the 4 for 20 sale, and I absolutely positively love this product. As you guys can see, there's like barely any down here. The reason why it took me so long to use is because when I find a perfume that I really like, it usually takes me a long time to actually cherish the perfume and actually really want to actually use it all. I get really sad when I see the perfumes that I like going down, so it does take me a while to actually use them, but eventually I do end up using them. But yeah, that's why this took me so long. But I really do love this perfume. It is honestly one of my favorite perfumes, like I've mentioned before. Something cool about this perfume is that even though it looks so simple and everything, guys, it honestly smells so good. It's not so strong, and if any of you guys have ever purchased Victoria's Secret perfumes before, you'll know that a lot of them usually you pay your money's worth. So it's gonna be honestly as strong as you would like it, because you are paying your money's worth. But yeah, another cool thing that I really do love about this perfume is that I picked this up around, I want to say, okay, so if any of you guys have ever had perfumes and you forget about some because you have too many and you reuse them, that's basically what happened with this one. So I got it Black Friday, like I said before, but I ended up stopped using it when it kind of got a little bit colder outside. And so I started using this again around, I want to say February. And so around February, it was right a little bit under the Victoria's Secret part. And then now it's all the way down there. This perfume is very inexpensive. The one thing that I do like about these perfumes is they're not that big. So honestly, you can carry this with you. You can honestly carry this perfume with you in a tote bag, or even in your purse. When I'm going to class, I tend to spritz this on me, and I'll carry this with me after the gym. I usually don't like to mix sweat and perfume, but after the gym I tend to spray a little on me, just because it just honestly works so well for me. What else do I love using this for? I love using this also too, guys. I don't know if you guys have ever tried this, but I spritz a little on my comforters before they go in the dryer, just because I like my sheets to smell like me as well. This is honestly just one of my favorite perfumes, and I probably say this about a lot of my perfumes, but I can't even explain it. It has such a sweet yet tempting smell. That's why I feel they named it Temptation Water Blossom. It smells like fruit petals, but it's it gives a dark hint to it, so it's kind of a mysterious type of smell. I've honestly gotten so many compliments on this. every time I wear this, people are always like, what are you wearing? My friends love spraying this on themselves. My sorority sisters love spraying this on themselves. Like, this is just like a must-have item. And another thing about Victoria's Secret perfumes and also their body sprays is that they tend to be a little pricey. But if you're purchasing off of Amazon or going in during a sale, it's very inexpensive. And this perfume right now is like really inexpensive for what the actual price was, like I said before. And then also too, I love like the packaging that this perfume comes in. I'm a big fan of these perfume bottles. I know Victoria's Secret bottles didn't always used to be like this, but I'm a big fan of this just because it has like these little Victoria, like it's carved out right here, and I love that about it and how it's gold. I really do love this part. One of my favorite parts. And honestly, like, probably the best perfume that, no, not the best, because I do have like a lot of favorites, but one of the best perfumes that I've ever purchased from Victoria's Secret. And like I said before, guys, this is very easy to travel with, especially if you are just taking a tote bag or something. You obviously can't bring this on a plane, but it's very easy to carry around with you. So like I said before, this is just Victoria's Secret Temptation Water Blossom, and this is the fragrance mist, and this is just in the 8.4 fluid ounces.